Welcome back, Truck and Raiders. Today we are going to show you two of our products for motorcycle touring. The first one is Mobile Mate Plus. As you can see, this got two parts, a transparent pouch on the top in which you can keep the phone. The mobile pocket is touch sensitive and it can easily accommodate a phone up to 7-inch screen size. Apart from this top part, there is a storage space also in which you can keep your palette, action camera accessories or any other cables, power bank, etc. So this Mobile Mate got four velcro straps like this, two on the top and two on the bottom. Using this velcro strap, you will be able to attach the Mobile Mate on the motorcycle handlebar. Fitting this bag on the handlebar is very easy. I'm going to show you how to do it. First you need to open all these velcro straps. Then the top velcro strap around the handlebar and you can attach. Likewise the other side also. After that the bottom velcro straps again around the handlebar. Once all the straps are put, then you can adjust the ankle, you can adjust the tightness of the velcro. See here you can adjust the tightness of the velcro. So this flap also got a full panel velcro which is useful for securing the flap comfortably onto the bag. So this Mobile Mate will protect your phone from the elements, and since it's a soft bag, your phone hardly feel any vibration during riding, unlike hard mobile cases, and it is even perfectly alright for off-road riding. This is our new product which is recently launched. This is a motorcycle phone case. This consists of a soft bag like this along with a stand. So you need to attach this stand on the case, then you need to mount on the handlebar. This phone case also got a zip opening like this. Once you open it, you will be able to see a velcro panel here. In this panel, in this portion you need to keep the phone and close it. So this also got a little storage space. Probably you can keep a power bank or some cables, your wallet, etc. Mobile case is also compatible with most of the smartphones available in the market today. Up to 7-inch size mobile phones can be fixed comfortably in this one. Show you how to do it. So basically you need to attach the straps around the T-shaped stand like this. Now this stand is secured, fully secured. Now I'll show you how to fix this on the handlebar. What you should do is basically this got a provision slot like this here. So the idea is basically this has to get into the rear view mirror slot. So there are most of the bikes rear view mirror will have a nut like this. So you need to loosen the nut. So once you loosen the nut there, you can fix this stand on the slot. You can slide it in. Once it is in, slide it in, you can then tighten the nut. So once this is attached onto the bike, every time you don't have to remove the stand. Either you can take the phone away separately, or the soft bag can be detached from the stand by loosening the velcro. This phone case with the stand, this got a vertical orientation, whereas this Mobile Mate Plus got a horizontal orientation. Another difference is this Mobile Mate got more storage space. whereas this will have a smaller storage space. So these are two options from Trek and Ride for all the riders out there to use their phone while riding. Stay tuned for our next product.